Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent this and they call it a fat star and wanted to know how they can round off the corners on the outside and have this not perfectly shaped star. I have probably covered all this, but maybe not all in one video. I'm going to get the star tool. I'm going to have it set on 5-sided. I'm going to hold down the control button and make a perfect star. Now, here's how you can make it fatter by going downhill in this angle. And you could go wherever you wanted to go, how far you wanted to go. Now, here's kind of the trick. You've got to convert it to a curve. Then, for a star like this, you need to round just the outside. So we're going to go and open up the Windows Dockers corners. You know what, we'll leave it. Let's go, that's pretty close. And it's actually showing you what it's going to do. And then all you have to do is hit apply. That's pretty close, but their corners are square in the middle. So what you do now, you take your shape tool and you select all your nodes. Then you hold down the shift key and deselect these. So you can see the ones that are selected are dark blue, the ones that are not are hollow. And then hit apply. And there's you a fat star. I think I can, well, I don't have a blue that color. Let's do this. Let's use the color eyedropper tool and take a sample of that blue and take away the outline, and you have a pretty identical. Their angle might, well, I'm pretty close. Their angle might be a little bit more. Of course, my star is bigger. Let's make it smaller. And of course, they can play around with that once they get that down. But just remember, when you're working with the corners, I'm going to back up here, and you want, let's say you want just the inside. You could just grab the inside and do them. That kind of looks terrible. But if you want to do the outside only, there's a way you could select them. But if you do this and then hold down the shift key, the shift key does double selection and, well, let's just do that. Let's make another star. And let's select them all. And, well, let's just do this. Take the shape tool and select these. Holding down the shift key, well, I got my stars too close together. Grab the shape tool, hold down, just select them, and then hold down the shift. And it'll select them both. Now it's turning them red so you know you have two different objects. But if you want to do just the outside, the shift key will also select and deselect. So select and then hold down the shift and deselect and then hit apply. I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.